Welcome back. There are a lot of trains in this movie, and I thought it'd be fun to play Name That Train.
How do you play?
All right, I will describe a train, and we'll see if you can remember its name, and you can play along with us at home. So first, let's start with an easy one. He's blue, and he's number 1, and he tries to be useful to get the job done. You're right, Chica. It's Thomas. Next, he's another steam engine, and he's medium-sized. He's painted bright red, and he's number 5.
Oh, that must be James.
Good job, Carly. All right, here's another one. He's number 6, and he's the smallest on the team. He's the junior engine, and he's painted green.
Is that Gordon?
Well, Chica thinks it's Percy, but it might be Gordon. What do you think at home?
Percy? Okay, let's go with Percy.
You're right. Good job, everyone. Now let's see what all these engines are up to. Let's get back to the movie.